Tier 5. Day number 3 and 4 of the Dead Man Mode tournament. We have completed Desert Treasure for Ancients. We will go for 94 Mage in this episode, as well as high stats and some PKing as well. But most importantly, we need to make money. And according to most people who are playing Deadman mode, Barrows is the best money making method. And even though I'm 110 kill count dry and still counting, 90 kill count being from Hardcore Ironman, 20 kill count being from Deadman mode, I'm still coming back because I have to end this dry streak.
What is this? 1k what?
Even though I'm very dry at Barrows, I still get a lot of runes, and since I'm going for 94 magic, it's a very sustainable method to just stay here and keep getting those magic levels. Is this dry streak? Oh, can this dry streak end already? Come on! Nice. Samphire Serum. This is the best drop yet. And then we got shit. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. Made me panic, dude. Made me panic for real. Yes! Oh my god! Finally, we are done here. Oh! So basically, I want 135 kill count dry, 45 kill count being on the Deadman mode tournament for a Torag sound.
Nope.
Besides Barrows, I did a bunch of crazy archaeologists as well. I'm not going to say anything, just watch the clips. Oh yes, another big jackpot, 2 crossbows. At the time of the recording, these crossbows were worth 100k each. What am I going to do with Odium Shard 2? That's the wrong shard, I prefer the Malediction one, but... Hello, Malediction Ward. Very nice. I found Rexy. I want to take him out so badly. So I got myself a Scorpion Task and I got 4 emblems so far. He's AFK. Is he AFK? Gotta be AFK. There we go. Thank you. Shit. Perp. Perp.
Hello, Mr. Perp.
If you attack me, I will kick your head in. Dog, you poisoned me.
See ya.
The Deadman mode market is very unstable, so I decided to grind myself 55 Slayer for Blood Bolts. This should be 55 Slayer, we can now use Blood Bolts. Now it's time to go back to Barrows. Try again. Nope. 50 kill count so far, 1 item, 80 hit points. Closing up. Before we continue on with this episode, I just want to say massive thank you for 100,000 subscribers. This is truly a dream come true, so thank you guys so much. If you have ever liked my videos, subscribed, commented on my videos, or simply just watched my videos. Thank you guys so much.
Bruh. Oh my god! Wow!
Nice! We just got ourselves another Emblem 5. There we go, 70 defense. We can now use Barrows. I just missed a level, but we got 70 attack. We can now use Barrows.
Give food.
If a red skull with max gear tells you to give him food, you give him food. Oh my god. Oh! 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 I'm shaking. Shaking. Oh my god. Oh my god. We did the boys. The luck has turned. These 2 items are 2 best in slot items on Deadman mode. I'm linking it. Look at that.
Come on,
Oh,
no
here we
spoilers,
go.
no spoilers, no spoilers, no spoilers.
moly.
Oh my
What?
god.
That's fish.
Are you trolling?
What the
Are you-
fuck?
That reaction you just heard is my clanmate seeing what I got from Barrows.
Hell
The
yeah.
clickbait is going to
Exactly
be
his title.
Barrows was worth it.
Oh, 89 magic. Very close now. Very fucking close. I heard we're getting back to back. No, we are not. I'm not allowed to complain anymore because I'm pretty much in the drop rate. Clue scroll. No, thank you. That's the shittiest chest I've ever seen. Ooh, what? Already 90 mage? I just got 89. What the f?
Bruh.
My bad.
Why you bully me?
Man, I pay taxes and everything, and he comes and does that.
Bruh.
Woo!
Bruh.
I pay tax. Of Mr. Justice, I pay tax.
Follow on Twitter is T-Tax.
Here we go. How do I follow? There we go. Follow. Tax paid. AJS coming in. No! I hate these drops like mind runes, total waste, berries, and some coins. Like, what is this? What is this? Oh, 92 magic. 2 levels to go. Wow, it's going really quickly now.
Bruh.
Let's check the outer chests. Yes. Gimme. 80 kill count. We are getting a lot of items now, which is great.
Bruh.
Ooh, 93 magic. That's good. That's great. Iron staff, best in slot after the second best to slot staff. Very nice.
Bruh.
Are we lucky today? Well, it's the same day, but let's go. Another. Ah, yes, buddy. Yes. Is that a duplicate? I think that's a duplicate. Yes. Oh, we almost got full Darogs, guys. We almost got full Darogs. Hell fucking yes. This might be a stupid decision from my part, because Torok's helm is a lot better than Darok's helm. But for what I got planned, I really want this helm. There you go.
What is the tax rate for sparing my life?
I guess there's no tax rate. He's gonna kill me either way. That was a big monka. I think I hit more on him than he hit on me, actually. This should be the last hit. Wait, this is the last hit. Boom! 94 mage. We have completed the goal we set earlier this video. We can now cast Barrages, the greatest mage spell on RuneScape. This is probably not worth it, but we need the whip for quick training. Thank you, Iron Micah. So this is how my stats are currently looking. 72 attack, 76 strength, 72 defense. Then we have the 86 range, 94 mage, 85 HP, and the 52 prayer. I'll try to get up my melee to base 90s, range to 95 at least, and mage to maybe 95, 97. And prayer, I'm not sure if I'm getting 70, but it would be fun to have it. But then I need to do a lot of quests, which I don't look forward to. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give the video a like and leave a comment if you think it's worth getting 70 prayer or not. And before we end this video, this is currently how the safe deposit box is looking like. We got the Carol's top, the Arm's robe skirt, whip, Guten chain skirt, Darox, and some junk items. And of course the white box, which I won't be showing you in this video, but you will know what it is in the coming episodes. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'm not going to lie, I feel like we are going to get a few more Barrows items before I go to bed tonight. Let's go.
Bruh.
I'm done. 2 brews. Yeah, I'm done for today. That's messed up.